Here's some rural agriculture trivia. Subscribe. What type of farming uses polycultures? Is it A, agroecology, B, intensive livestock, C, monoculture farming, or D, hydroponics farming? The correct answer is A, agroecology. What is the main use of silage? Is it A, biofuel, B, construction material, C, fertilizer, or D, livestock feed? The correct answer is D, livestock feed. What type of farming integrates trees and crops? Is it A, pastoralism, B, horticulture, C, aquaculture, or D, agroforestry? The correct answer is D, agroforestry. What crop is primarily grown for fibers? Is it A, wheat, B, corn, C, cotton, or D, rice? The correct answer is C, cotton. What process involves planting trees to restore land? Is it A, deforestation, B, urbanization, C, desertification, or D, afforestation? The correct answer is D, afforestation. What is the term for raising fish in tanks? Is it A, aquaculture, B, sericulture, C, hydroponics, or D, mariculture? The correct answer is A, aquaculture. What system relies on the selection of varieties? Is it A, crop rotation, B, seed selection, C, fertilizer application, or D, pest control? The correct answer is B, seed selection. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.